Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by routing the vocal to its own mixer track and inserting parametric EQ2 immediately. This prevents global changes. Once done, enable the high-pass filter and sweep from 20 Hz up to about 80-120 Hz to remove rumble. Make sure to solo the vocal and play a representative phrase while watching the spectrum so you can see energy spikes. That visual plus what you hear tells you where to make surgical cuts versus broad tonal moves. With the HPF set, sweep a narrow band boost to locate harsh resonances, and then flip that band to a cut of roughly 3/6 dB. You're removing objectionable tones, not flattening personality. Once found, make broad, gentle boosts around 2 to 6 kHz for clarity and presence using a wider cue so the vocal remains natural. Also consider a low shelf for body or tighten the high pass slightly. Make sure to bypass frequently to hear real changes. Finish by checking the vocal in the full mix and set the EQ output to unity so you're hearing tonal differences, not level differences. If sibilance remains after EQ, use a de-esser rather than over-echoing highs. Conversely, if the vocal gets thin, reduce aggressive cuts or bring back small boosts. If things go wrong, like a boxy or harsh result, undo recent changes and resweep problem frequencies with a narrower cue. Troubleshooting is about reversing steps and listening again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.